it's a little more cleaned up. It looks like at some point in time it was in a room that got painted. So I took a Scotch-Brite, right? So here's a couple little paint dots. Took a Scotch-Brite, just kind of lightly, attack the area just a little bit. Not enough to take off the... Right, and it leaves those little, scuff marks. And I'll show you how I get rid of them. Right, chunk of paint. And I went through and I scrubbed most of the chunks of paint off. And it looks better. Cleaned it up quite a bit. Looks as close to new as I could get it. It's got a very satisfying start. Here, I'll... this is... You can... It's got a nice hum. This is all lubricated. This is all lubricated. This is broken. This I scratched with the Scotch-Brite. But old model maker's trick is this. And what you do is you put it on and it cleans up the plastic to like translucent. So model makers, if you had like a train engine and you had a cab on it, you would put this finish on it. Okay, so I gotta take this reel off. The other thing I did, the other thing with that pledge is you can take this plastic and you can do this plastic. All of these rubber parts, I spent like $30 to get 3 Q-tips worth, maybe 4 Q-tips worth. And I hit all the rubber parts, and then I took this rubber and I went through it a couple times to make sure that rubber, moved everything properly. And the last thing I need to do is I probably have to recap some of the audio electronics, because it sounds like garbage. Electronically now we're into the electronics. All of the mechanical stuff is getting there. It's a weird, take up reel. There's only, it's not a removable one. Like, it's actually sized so it's timed properly. So this is actually attached to it. Bit of a nightmare to get it in and out. Okay, so power on. Fast forward. Feels good. Telephone. I don't have the telephone. There's a DIN adapter here. I don't have that, but okay. So here's the magic wand. Stop. Start. Take it back. Take it back. What was that? What was that?
The only difference is with an associate, you don't have to be.
I playing with stuff, trying to record. It's getting there, but I still have a huge hum. So here, if I record, and I think this is actually preamp too. Hello, check, 1 2 1 2 3.
I would then pay.
So we go, and then play.
We'll agree to a spot.
I don't know. There's part of a meeting I don't want to play. Anyway, but I've been using it. It's funny to actually sit there and watch it do its thing. When I get it all nice and pretty, I'll put it on a tripod and run the tape start to finish just for a little loop. It's cool. Like, it's really it's got a nice hum to it. it smells like Sharpie marker in the shop right now. This stuff is like, if you could imagine the smell of 1,000 Sharpie markers open all at the same time, that's kind of what this stuff smells like.